Hi, PG with MarineMax of Houston. I'm here aboard the exciting 370 Grady White. This is a boat you can do a little bit of everything with. The client that may want a yacht but still wants to be able to fish, this boat should be able to fit the bill for you. So we're going to start in the back. We've got triple 300 Yamahas on the back with the joystick control system. We've got a generator on board to power up the systems, including this refrigerated fish box. Awesome lounger, but it folds away neatly, completely out of the way. Makes a good tow hold and bolster for fishing. Got great tow holds on the sides. And on this boat, we've got the optional dive door, which is a great feature for you scuba divers or you guys dragging in a really large tuna. Got a drop-down footrest, so we have another seat here for when you're trolling. Underneath here is an electric grill, runs off the generator also, or your shore power. Can't get your fish any fresher than that. Okay, over here we've got a nice sink with a fresh water system. And look at this huge bait well with your tackle storage underneath. We have your trays and storage for your terminal tackle as well. My favorite feature, air-conditioned Helm. Got a separate air conditioning system just for the helm area. We've got a really neat electronics dash panel that will drop down completely out of the way, keeps your electronics out of the weather, keeps them very secure. Nice, comfortable area here. Got a cool skylight above, rod storage. Grady didn't waste any storage anywhere. Anywhere they had a void, they made some good storage out of it. But down below, come check out the huge cabin down here. Got a double bed in the V berth here. We've got a lounger here that converts from a dinette to a table. Dinette to a sleeper. Little nice TV on the wall there. We have a sleeper in the back, double bed. Really nice galley area. I like this feature here. We've got double refrigerated drawers. And these boats are designed for really rough seas, so we have really good latches and everything. Nice convection microwave, plenty of storage, and a really nice head compartment. Got a real toilet, vacuum flush, separation from the shower there. This is an awesome boat to do just about anything you can dream up. Come see us at MarineMax of Houston. We'll show it to you in person.